this video I'm going to show you how you can get ultimate money on FTS, which means how to get ultimate euros to buy ultimate players from transfer window. At first I'm going to tell you we can buy ultimate players. We can buy maximum 32 players in our club, which means we can buy only 32 players or maximum 32 players for our club. In our club we can buy more than 32 players. Now how you can buy expensive players from transfer window? If we click here, we can wait a minute. If we click on the right down button, we can see my team balance is currently 319 million. 319 million. How I can get more monies or more million monies or more euros from this game? All you have to do is invest on club. Click on invest on club. Here we have to invest coins or credits to get monies. Now how you can get these coins? Well, if you download the mod version of FTS, you will get ultimate coins. If you download the original or the normal version of FTS, you won't get ultimate coins. You will have a little coins. Then all you have to do, you have to play more and more games and collect coins. But I have already made a video how to download FTS with ultimate money. The video link in description or on the iCard button. Go and check it out, and if you download from that video, you will get ultimate money like me, ultimate coins like me. So now all we have to do, invest on coins. Now if we invest 5,000 coins, we will get 100 million euros. And click on invest, and as you can see, before I have 390 million, now I have 419 million euros. So I can buy a lot of players with 419 million euros. Now what if I need more money? I can invest more and more and get more monies by investing the coins or investing the credits. We also can invest on a club by clicking my club, then financial, and then invest in club at the end. Here we can also get investment. If I invest 5,000 coins or 5,000 credits, I will get 100 million euros, and as you can see, my new balance will be 519 million euros. I'm not gonna invest in club money anymore. So we can go to transfer window, and then we can search players. As you can see, Messi is 97 million euros, Neymar's value is 92 million, and Ronaldo's value is 89 million. We can buy all of them. If we spend all monies, all 490 million monies, we can invest more credits to get more coins or to get more monies, get more euros. So that's how we can invest on a club and get ultimate monies. You have to download the mod version or the ultimate coin version of FTS. The video link in the description. Go and download the version, then you will get ultimate coins or ultimate credits. Then you can invest on a club and get ultimate money and ultimate euros to buy a lot of players, buy a good piece of players. But we can buy only maximum 32 players, 32 great players. I'm not gonna buy any players right now. I have already good players like Kevin De Bruyne, Sergio Aguero. So I'm not gonna buy any players right now, but that's how you can buy all of great players like Messi, Ronaldo, Neymar, Lewandowski. You can buy all of them by just following this trick, invest in a club and get money and then buy them. So that's how you can get a lot of monies, a lot of euros for your club. I've also uploaded a video how to upgrade your player, and how to upgrade your player. Like you can see, this is a player. My name is 97 level. I upgraded him 81 to 97. How you can upgrade the player? There's a video. I will put the link in description, and how you can change the rating of these players. Like company's level is 90, De Bruyne level is 89, Sergio Aguero level is 90. How you can upgrade the level, or how you can change the whole rating of players, whole in one click. I have uploaded that video also. The video link will be in description. So watch more videos similar to FTS. To watch more videos related to FTS, go to the description. You will find the FTS playlist on my channel. Go and check it out. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.